Hey everyone, welcome back to UK Pro Reviewer. Today, we're diving into the world of mechanical keyboards with a detailed look at the YUNZII AL66 wireless mechanical keyboard. This compact yet feature-packed keyboard has been generating a lot of buzz lately, so let's see if it lives up to the hype. The YUNZII AL66 is a custom wireless mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and typists alike. With its sleek aluminum body and innovative features, it promises to deliver a premium typing experience. Let's start by highlighting some key features of the AL66. Firstly, it boasts a 65% layout, meaning it's more compact than traditional keyboards, freeing up valuable desk space without compromising functionality. Plus, it comes with a multi-function knob, allowing you to adjust RGB modes, brightness, and volume effortlessly. Connectivity-wise, this keyboard offers versatility. It supports Bluetooth, 2, 4G wireless, and wired connections, making it compatible with a wide range of devices including PCs, laptops, tablets, and smartphones. And get this, it can connect to up to 4 devices simultaneously, allowing for seamless multitasking. Now, let's talk switches. The AL66 features hot swappable switches, giving you the freedom to customize your typing experience. Plus, with pre-lubed switches and stabilizers, it offers a smooth and satisfying typing feel, perfect for both gaming and productivity. And who can forget about RGB lighting? With 14 default RGB effects and 8 backlight colors, this keyboard allows you to customize your setup to match your style. The south-facing LEDs provide vibrant illumination, enhancing your gaming experience. Battery life is always a concern with wireless peripherals, but fear not. The AL66 boasts an impressive 4,600 mAh battery capacity, offering up to 90 hours of typing on a single charge. That's some serious longevity. In terms of build quality, the AL66 doesn't disappoint. With its CNC aluminum frame and gasket mount structure, it exudes durability and stability. Plus, the anodic oxidation ensures resistance to corrosion, making it a keyboard built to last. So, what's the verdict? The YUNZII AL66 wireless mechanical keyboard ticks all the right boxes for gamers and professionals alike. From its premium build quality to its customizable features, it's a keyboard that's sure to elevate your typing experience. If you're in the market for a compact yet powerful mechanical keyboard, the AL66 might just be the perfect fit for you. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to UK Pro Reviewer for more tech content. Until next time, happy typing!